The Rhino 572 ski carrier is a versatile and practical personal ski, board, or fishing rod carrier capable of holding up to 2 pairs of skis or snowboard depending on their width. The mounting surface is about 9.5 inches, which translates to about 24 centimeters of usable space. The 572 comes with generic mounting hardware, allowing it to attach to just about all crossbar styles on the market, including round, square, factory, and aftermarket wing style crossbars. The first step is to loosen the barrel nuts on the pre-installed hardware and rotate them so the mounting brackets are ready to sit on top of your crossbar. With all 4 brackets in place, you can finish pre-assembling by loosely fastening one half of the bottom mounting bracket to the top half. Be sure to use a washer when threading the security Allen bolt through the top half of the mounting bracket, then tighten the bolt a few turns through the bottom half. To install the ski carrier, simply place the carrier on your crossbars and swing the bottom mounting bracket underneath the bar. Drop another Allen bolt and washer through the open bolt hole, and begin to alternate tightening each side of the bracket until it is tight and flush against the bar. For flush mounting the Rhino ski carrier into crossbars with top channels, first completely remove the top mounting bracket. Slide the threads from just the square head bolt into the carrier, and loosely fasten it in place using bolt style washers and barrel nut. Repeat this for the opposite bracket position. To attach the carrier, line up the square heads with your crossbar channel and slide the carrier onto the bar to your desired position. Or you can slide the bolts into the channel and place the ski carrier on top. Add a washer and locking washer and fully tighten the barrel nuts to complete the installation. Rubber padding completely insulates any surfaces your skis or snowboards might come in contact with, and lock cords on the clamshell section provide security for anything you might be carrying. If you have any questions about the Rhino-Rack ski carrier, give us a call at 1-800-272-5362 or visit us online at rackwarehouse.com.